Dear children, welcome back to math class. Today we are going to discuss some problems. Our first question, the perimeter of a rectangle is 10 meters and its area is 5 1 by 4 square meters. What are the lengths of its sides? Okay, as in the last questions, first taking the lengths of the sides of the rectangle as x and y meters. Okay, taking the lengths of the sides of the rectangle as x and y meters. Now, by using our given conditions, what is first condition? Perimeter of a rectangle is 10 meters. So, we can write 2 into x plus y equals 10. What is perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Here we have taken the length of the sides as x and y meters. So, we can write 2 into x plus y equals 10. That is x plus y equals 10 by 2, 5. Question number 1. Next, second condition. Area of the rectangle is 5 1 by 4 square meters. 5 1 by 4 square meters. And xy equals 5 1 by 4. 5 1 by 4 can be written as 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 4. Okay, x plus y equals 5, the next xy equals 21 by 4. Next let us combine these two equations. X plus y equals 5, xy equals 21 by 4. How? We can use one identity. Did you remember? In your 8th standard you have studied the identity. All of you listen. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is 4xy. Did you remember this one? X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is 4xy. Now let us substitute. What is x plus y? 5. 5 square minus x minus y whole square is 4 into, what is the value of xy? 21 by 4. Okay, we got xy is 21 by 4. Xy as 21 by 4. So 4 into 21 by 4. Let us cancel 4 and 4. Now here 21. Next 5 square 25 minus x minus y whole square is 21. From here minus of x minus y whole square is 21 minus 25. This is minus 4. 21 minus 25. This is minus 4. Now let us cancel negative sign in both sides. So x minus y equals 2, or x minus y whole square is 4. 4 is 2 square. Okay, cancel negative sign in both sides. Then x minus y whole square is 4. 4 is 2 square. Then we can write x minus y is 2. X minus whole square is 2 square. So x minus y is 2. Equation number 2. What is our first equation? X plus y equals 5. Second equation, x minus y equals 2. Now let us add equations 1 and 2. What we get? X plus y plus x minus y equals 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Y and y cancel. Next, x plus x, 2x equals 5 plus 2, 7. Then x equals 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 is 3, 1 by 2. So the value of x is 3, 1 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3, 1 by 2, 3 and a half. Next, what is y? Y is, first equation, x plus y equals 5. So y is 5 minus x. That is 5 minus 3, 1 by 2. What we get? Subtract 3, 1 by 2 from 5. What is the value? 1, 1 by 2. Okay. So what we get now? The lengths of the sides of the rectangle are 3, 1 by 2 meters and 1, 1 by 2 meters. Okay. Thus we can say that the lengths of the sides of the rectangle are 3, 1 by 2 meters and 1, 1 by 2 meters. Clear? Okay, just note this identity. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is 4xy. We discussed in 8th standard. Okay. Next question. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6, 1 by 2 centimeters and its area is 7, 1 by 2 square centimeters. Calculate the lengths of its perpendicular sides. The triangle is right angled triangle. Now just a note. Right angle triangle, hypotenuse you have given 6, 1 by 2 centimeters. Taking the lengths of the perpendicular sides as x and y centimeters. Okay. Taking the lengths of the perpendicular sides as x and y centimeters. So here x centimeter, then y centimeter. Next, from this right triangle, here we can use our Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write, what is the Pythagoras theorem? X square plus y square is 6, 1 by 2 whole square. X square plus y square is 6, 1 by 2 square. What is square of 6, 1 by 2? 6, 1 by 2 can be written as 6 into 2. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. That is 13 by 2 whole square. X square plus y square is 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. That is 13 by 2 whole square. The next one. What is the next condition? We have given area is 7, 1 by 2 square centimeters. So what is the area of this triangle? Can you say? Yes, we can write half xy equals 7, 1 by 2. Half xy equals 7, 1 by 2. Area is 7, 1 by 2 square centimeters. From this, 7, 1 by 2 is 7 into 2. 14 plus 1, 15. That is 15 by 2. So xy is 15 by 2. Here 1 by 2. This becomes into 2. That is 15 by 2 into 2. Let us cancel 2 and 2. Then what is 15? So we have two equations. X square plus y square is 13 by 2 whole square. Then xy is 15. Okay. Now just to combine these two equations, x square plus y square and xy. Here there is no x plus y and x minus y. But we can find out by using these two equations. We can find out x plus y and x minus y. How? Yes, let us use our identity. X plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x plus y whole square is x square plus y square. What is the value of x square plus y square? 13 by 2 whole square plus 2 into what is the value of xy? 15. That is 13 by 2 whole square plus 30. 2 into 15, 30. Now can you say 13 square? 13 square, 13 into 13, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 3, 3, again 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1, 9, 6, 1. So 169 by 2 square, 4 plus 30. Okay. Now here 30 by 1. Let us cross multiply. 169 into 1, 169 into 1 plus here 30 into 4 by 4. That is 169 plus next one 30 into 4, 30 into 4, 120 divided by 4. Okay. This is 169 plus 120. What is the sum? 169 plus 120. 289 by 4. Okay. That is x plus y whole square is 289 by 4. So can you say what is the value of x plus y? X plus y. Okay, listen. 17 into 17. 7 into 7, 49. 4. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Then 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 1, 1. 9. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. So 17 square is 289. Now we can write 17 by 2 square 4. Okay. 289 is 17 by 4 whole square. Okay. 289 by 4 can be written as 17 by 2 whole square. 17 by 2 whole square. So x plus y is 17 by 2. 17 into 17, 289. Then 2 square 4. So x plus y 17 by 2. Now x square plus y square 13 by 2 whole square. Then xy 15. By using these two relations, now we got x plus y as 17 by 2. Okay. Now as in the last question, we can use the identity x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equals 4 into xy. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equals 4xy. Here, what is the value of x plus y? X plus y is 17 by 2. 17 by 2 whole square minus x minus y whole square is 4 into, what is the value of xy? Xy is 15. Okay. Now, 17 by 2 whole square is 289 by 4 minus x minus y whole square is 4 into 15. This is 60. That is minus x minus y whole square is minus of x minus y whole square is 60 minus 289 by 4. ഇവിടെയുള്ള 289 by 4 അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ എന്തായി മൈനസ് 289 by 4. Now here 16 by 1 just cross multiply 60 into 4 minus 289 divided by 1 into 4 4. Okay, 1 into 4 just LCM. Now minus of x minus y whole square is, here 60 into 4 240 minus 289 divided by 4. 6 into 4 24. So 60 into 4 240 minus 289 by 4. This is 289 minus 240. What is the value? 9. Here 4. 49. That is minus 49 by 4. Okay. Here 289 is greater than 240. So put my negative sign. Minus 49 by 4. Now let us remove the negative sign both sides. That is x minus y whole square is 49 by 4. This is 49 is 7 square, 4 is 2 square. So we can write 7 by 2 whole square. Then x minus y is 7 by 2. Equation number 2. In the first line we got x plus y is 17 by 2. X plus y is 17 by 2. It is equation number 1. Now x minus y is 7 by 2. Okay, we have two equations. First equation is x plus y equals 17 by 2. Second equation x minus y equals 7 by 2. Now we have to add the equations 1 and 2. What we get? X plus y plus x minus y equals 17 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Y and y cancel. X plus x 2x equals, here denominator is same, it is 2. 17 plus 17 24 by 2. That is 24 by 2. 17 plus 17 14, then 24. So 24 by 2. 2x is 24 by 2. That is 12. So what is the value of x? X is 12 by 2. That is 6. Okay. Now next you have to find out the value of y. Value of x is 6. Now we have to find out the value of y. We have the equation x plus y equals 17 by 2. Now we got the value of x. So y equals 17 by 2 minus x. That is 17 by 2 minus 6. What is the value of y? 6 is 17 by 2 minus 6 can be written as 12 by 2. That is 17 minus 12, 5. So 5 by 2. Or this is 5 by 2 is 2, 1 by 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2 can be written as 2, 1 by 2. That is x equals 6 and y equals 2, 1 by 2. These are our values. X equals 6, y equals 2, 1 by 2 or 5 by 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. Then what is our question? Calculate the lengths of the perpendicular sides. So we can see that the lengths of the perpendicular sides are 6 centimeters and 2, 1 by 2 centimeters. Okay. Let us stop the class. Thank you.